So today is the day that I'm working from home and I'm home alone today because G went to work after a long time. So come spend the day with me. I clearly hijacked his space because he has a standing desk and I don't, and he's fancy like that, so I'm using his desk. The stupid fire alarm just went off. I'm shaking. I'm like, I don't know what to do. So obviously I had to take this news back to G. And he's the one who's usually like working from home every day. And he's like, oh, that's normal. And I'm like, how would I ever know? And I'm here panicking and going around trying to figure out if I set something on fire or something. I don't know, but apparently it's normal, so I'm good.
And the day went by and it was lunchtime, so I had some leftover lasagna and some dessert. But it was also a really hot day, so I made some cranberry juice for myself and devoured it. It was a really hot day, to be honest. And then I had also made an appointment to get my nails done, so I slowly got ready after work and stepped out.
So it's like 26 degrees outside and I decided to walk without actually taking the bus. It's like a 15 to 20 minute walk. So here I am. So everything is so nice and like everybody's outdoors and nobody's wearing jackets and it's actually really nice to see.
So about 15 or 20 minutes later, I arrived at my nail salon. This was the first time I tried this place. So I really liked the girl who did my nails. So this was the reference picture I showed her and this is what she did. I think she did a pretty decent job. I actually liked how it turned out. Let me know what you think.
So if you watched any of my previous vlogs, you know that I usually grab a bubble tea before I go and get my nails done. And this was the first time I was coming to this place, so I didn't know there was like a bubble tea place close by. But it's mandatory, so I'm gonna grab one right now. Got it! Woo-hoo.
So I went to this new supermarket after that and it was all Asian, like different cuisines like Korean, Thai, Vietnamese, Japanese, you name it, everything was there. I was so fascinated and I checked that place out because I wanted to get some stuff myself, but I really didn't find what I want, so I just walked around a bit and Mr. G joined me after work.
We are gonna have some midweek drinks. Cheers!
And we had some dinner and then called it a day and went back home.